today. Todd.
Jessica and Antoinette, good afternoon. The hearings just got underway within the past 45 minutes or so here at Boston Municipal Court. The first case is a drug case. There's no decision from the judge yet on that. We do anticipate that 9 or 10 defendants will be brought in today, and they could be released on conditions. Private attorneys who defend indigent clients in district courts stopped accepting cases in a dispute over pay. That's the background here. A justice of the Supreme Judicial Court has invoked what is known as the LaValle Protocol after making a finding that there is an ongoing systemic violation of indigent criminal defendants' constitutional rights to be represented by an attorney. The protocol mandates that defendants who have been in custody and have no access to a lawyer for 7 days are to be set free. Defendants without a lawyer for 45 days are to have their cases dismissed. That could be hundreds of defendants by the end of the month. That figure is according to the Committee for Public Counsel Services, which oversees representation for indigent clients. CPCS does have a private practice attorney here today. He's an attorney who normally represents clients in Superior Court, so he's not part of the walkout. However, CPCS says there are conflicts of interest with their attorneys in Suffolk County representing defendants in 6 of the cases before the court today. In addition to Suffolk County cases being heard, there are cases that will be heard in Middlesex County on Wednesday. As for the underlying issue of pay raises for bar advocates, there's still no development on that front, which means there's no end in sight to the lack of attorneys representing indigent clients at the district court level. Reporting live at the Boston Municipal Court Central Division, Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.
Todd, thank you.